Alright, 1v2 in Rivals, and I'm gonna win. I already have one win. Oh crap, I'm getting shot. Bam. Bam. Oh. Bam. 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 Okay, I actually suck.
That's right.
My custom is overpowered.
What do you want to watch?
Alrighties. I'm destroying these people. Well, I guess it's a level 50 and a 25. Yo, flashbanged me. And I'm a level 79. So, their levels combined would be... How does a level 50 have energy rifle?
That's right.
Tink! I think he's paid to win.
You okay? You okay?
Wait, how did I still beat them? One of them has energy rifle. Yeah, this doesn't make sense. He said, "What are you doing?" Well, I'm just playing the game, bro. That's what I'm doing. Not funny. Okay, where is that guy? Ah, he's already there. Okay, I might actually lose this round. Dang it. Hey, it's still 3-1. And it's a 2v1. Yo, bro.
That's right.
Tink! Snipe. Snipe.
That's right.
Snipe. Let's go. Wait, why am I doing so good?
That's
I
right.
did not know I would do this good. Oh, he just got sniped.
That's right.
Tink! Alright, I'm gonna do another match. Another 2v1. I think this is gonna be even easier because it's a 12 and 11. Unless they're like hackers or something. But imagine if I beat hackers. 2.
I think it's green, so I can take it off already, right?
That's right.
Tink! That's actually the closest snipe I've ever headshot.
That's right.
Tink! Wait, these people are even easier. They didn't even take 1 HP down. They didn't even take 1 HP down with me. So I jump up here. Oh, where is that guy? Oh, there he is.
That's right.
Tink! They probably think I'm hacking, but really it's just my aim and custom. Where's that other guy? I have a feeling I'm gonna get jump scared. Ooh, contract. Okay, where is that guy? I have a feeling he's gonna try to run out the time, but still gonna lose. No way he's in here, right? Who are you? Awesome, man. Wait, I think he left the game. Did he really rage quit? That's actually crazy.
Hey.
Okay, I have a feeling he's gonna hide.
All right, you get the gist. She sings to it, she turns it on. Creepy, right? That's right.
Bro, he's standing straight still. I'm gonna go easy and use Uzi. I'm gonna go easy and use the Uzi so it's fair. Cause I'm just overpowered with sniper.
A princess was
Wait, what if I
Have
only
you ever
use...
tried a chocolate peanut butter?
No.
Mochi, you want? Orange.
I'm gonna try to use only knife and win. I'm gonna win with only knife. Oh dang it, I'm gonna backstab. Alright. We're gonna do one more minute. End of the video. Bye.